In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a drop-down menu in Dreamweaver. We'll create a clean navigation bar with a services drop-down and walk through how it works. Start by adding the HTML. In Dreamweaver, switch to Code View. Place your cursor where you want the navigation and paste the provided snippet. It begins with a nav element using the class drop-down nav. Inside is an unordered list with your top-level items: Home, Services, About, and Contact. The Services item contains a second unordered list with the class submenu. That nested list holds web design, SEO, and hosting, and it's the part that will appear when the user hovers over Services. Save your file so Dreamweaver can render the structure in live view. Next, add the CSS. You can put it in a linked style sheet or a style tag in the head. First, remove default list styling by clearing bullets, margins, and padding. Then, set each list item to position, relative and display, inline block, so the main menu items line up horizontally. Style the anchors with comfortable padding, make them display, block to enlarge the clickable area, and set a readable color. For the drop-down, target submenu and set display, none, position, absolute, top, 100%, and left, 0, plus a light background. Make the submenu's list items display, block so they stack vertically. Finally, add the hover rule so that when the parent list item is hovered, the submenu switches to display, block. Here's what's happening. The parent list item becomes the positioning anchor, and the submenu is absolutely positioned relative to it. The top, 100% value places the drop-down directly below its parent, and the hover rule toggles its visibility. In Dreamweaver's live view, hover over Services to test the interaction. If the submenu doesn't show, double-check that your class names match the HTML, that the style sheet is correctly linked, and that your braces and semicolons are in place. If the drop-down appears behind other content, give the submenu a higher Z index. From here, feel free to tweak spacing, colors, and fonts to match your site's design. This approach is perfect for a simple, hover-driven menu. For touch devices or keyboard accessibility, you can later add click or focus behavior with a bit of JavaScript and additional CSS. For now, you've built a clear, functional drop-down menu in Dreamweaver that you can reuse on future pages.